Here, I want to give you an example of how this system works in terms of being able to convert traffic into dollars. You can see here this is an older domain I've had it sit idle for a little while. I just activated here in the last month. You can see this month I've done $426 in sales, which is great because I've only been, if we go down to our traffic stats and we go look at our hits real quick, you're going to see very quickly that I just started this up on the 28th and it's starting to generate more traffic. The more content that gets posted with our system, the better it performs. Now, how did I generate that business? The number one thing is it doesn't take a lot of clients to get recurring clients, which is what this site gets. People are buying and reselling this traffic because we have something that's a little unique and that we offer product development, our personal development software. Here you can kind of see a post. This is a post that happens. This YouTube video comes out over automatically from YouTube. It's one I uploaded and it gets syndicated out to various websites based on the channel. I select this particular list, the playlist that you create. So on this blog, only content being posted relative to email marketing is going to happen. Okay, so there's a little bit of stuff here about email nomenclature. We've got you covered quality, high opt-in rates, personal developed traffic here, guaranteed leads here. We sell both. This stuff right here is automatic. Now, what I'll probably do is go in and edit that and make it look nicer, and maybe put some buttons instead of just having hyperlinks. But this is all automatically done for the system. And I'll just show you real quick how that works. With our posting program, which is only available from Amplify traffic systems, we have what's called a content poster, which grabs content from your YouTube channel. Okay, that's what it looks like. And you can see I just grabbed the one playlist. Now I have all these different playlists, but I only want the stuff related to this playlist posting here, and probably email marketing to solo ad business. So it's grabbing that content and it's posting that, and then it posts that content, the video content, the date of when it was posted to YouTube, and then got you covered. This is that bit that I just showed you. Now I can replace this with buttons and banners or other type of video images and stuff like that. This is just a regular WordPress editor. I can add my own images, whatever I want on this page. So the video will be on top, and every single person on every single blog post from the point you make that change forward is going to have the new content on there. So this way you're constantly promoting your site as well. Now there's one other thing I want to show you. You can do a lot of posts. I would post, I do 1 to 2 a day per domain. Okay, so there's a lot of people coming along here. They're seeing about email. Now, right here, this is a pop-up for people who are getting ready to leave the website. But why do I do this? Oh gosh, pop-up. I'll replace this with graphics. Best email training ever. It's related to the product, and if somebody clicks on this, it takes them to my product called Bulletproof Email Solution. Now, every single website that I have in my traffic niche space is going to have that pop-up on it, and I'm going to have a little better graphic than this. But I'm telling you, you just look for ways to cross-promote things. So you'll see over here in the sidebar, I have a link to the sales page too for the product. So you get that there, and then you get this here. What tends to get clicks is these things, though, because it's not as intimidating as a banner. And the pop-up, and it's kind of surprising how well that pop-up really works. I get statistics on that too. They're all amalgamated, so I'm not going to, there you go. It's all amalgamated, so I'm not going to show you the stats because it's from multiple sites. But, you know, if we can generate 100 clicks off of blogs over the course of a day, I'm going to get revenue off of that. I'm going to get sales off of the clicks off either this or this. And here's the thing, it's all going to be relevant because I'm promoting how to use email marketing. In this case, it's email nomenclature. Everyone goes, what's a CPL? What's a CPEL? What's a CPA? What's the nomenclature? What's an open rate? All those things. It's all relevant in the training. And then all the other videos I have in here, you're going to find are very relevant content towards email marketing. So anyone who comes to this site is interested in email marketing, and they have a course they can buy to teach them how to do their own email marketing. They'll have another course they can buy that will teach them how to, or they can get for free, that will teach them how to be a solo ad seller, and they can buy traffic for their own sales funnel right here. So this is how we take the automated, the amplified traffic system, and take those YouTube videos, which are going to do you good on YouTube, but they're also syndicated to your various websites by your playlist. And that way you can have one channel with 15 different playlists in there, one in email marketing, one on traffic, one on, whatever you want it to be. If you're in the dog niche, you have one on dog training, one on dog food, one on dog cat food, one on pets, or whatever. You niche it out. The thing you need to do is create the content. And the content is the most important part. The videos. It's not hard to do. I just sit down, I write a few notes on a piece of paper, and I turn on my Camtasia, and I talk to my computer. You've seen my videos probably. You're watching one right now, but you can't see me. I like to talk to people because then they know who they're dealing with. You might want to just create fancy, slick promo videos. There's a bunch of different ways to get videos made. They're going to drive traffic to your site. They're going to drive traffic to your squeeze pages. They're going to drive traffic to whatever you want to drive traffic to, but you have to amplify the traffic by using YouTube and a blog together and then syndicating everything out to social media. What amplification is taking two components, bringing them together. 1 plus 1 does not equal 2. 1 plus 1 equals 4. That's what amplification is. It works back and forth. The energy passes back and forth between the two components, and you get more than the sum of their parts. It's just like plugging my guitar into the amplifier. It's a lot louder. And that's the way this system works. And all it does is give the search engines and social media and YouTube and everything else exactly what they want, exactly by the rules. Engaging, unique content. And, posting it in a very conservative and very efficient manner. Thank you.